You ever walk into a room and completely forget why you're there? Or you're lying awake at 3 a.m. wondering, is it the stress? Is it hormones? I'm hot? Or am I just losing it? Perimenopause isn't just hot flashes, mood swings, and hormone charts. It's a major life transition. And listen, like any big transitions, we face a choice. We can either step into a bolder, more authentic version of ourselves, or we can shrink back into the same patterns that are driven by the inner critic we've listened to for decades. Hi, I'm Rebecca Gibbons, a registered nurse and licensed acupuncture physician, and a woman who's walked this midlife road herself and still walking it. And even with 2 decades of clinical experience, I didn't even realize I was in perimenopause for almost 3 years. I felt I was crazy. I felt physically wrecked, mentally foggy, completely disconnected, had no joy in my life, didn't even want to get up. And I remember thinking, I am too young and too full of things to do to feel this damn awful. And what hit me hardest was no one was talking about it. Not like we're going to talk about it. And that's why I created True Life Joy, to give women the education, the tools, and the real talk we should have gotten years ago. So you can stop guessing and start reclaiming clarity, energy, and joy in your life. This isn't a space for fluff or quick fixes. Here, I bring you science and soul together, blending Eastern and Western medicine to support a whole self, giving you many choices of how to be better. So, we'll bring ways to clear brain fog, support nervous system, energy strategies that actually work, and real conversations about libido, identity, and remember what lights you up. And yes, we'll laugh because healing doesn't have to be heavy, and midlife gives us plenty of material to laugh about. So I truly believe when women are well, we are clear, strong, and supported. We raise healthier families, we lead communities, we change culture. Your well being shouldn't just be optional, it should be foundational, and it's powerful. So, if you're ready to stop suffering in silence and start moving through this transition of perimenopause on purpose, subscribe now and join me each week. Let's make this transition a huge transformation with clarity, with energy, and with joy.